What's up, y'all? It's Bridge C bringing out another video. And in this video, I want to talk to y'all about how connected nature and humans really are. So 2 days ago, on Friday, I got a tattoo of the Tree of Life, which is right here. And the reason for that was because, for one, the Tree of Life stands for immortality, wisdom, knowledge, and it just symbolizes the symbol between life, death, and rebirth, just like humans and trees have a light. So some of the ways that humans and nature is really alike is because if you watched my third eye video, I talked about how trees and humans, we are no different. Like the limbs on trees, we have the same limbs, which is our arms and legs, and trees have the body, and then the branches could be considered as the arms, the hands and the fingers and stuff, and then you have the roots, which is the legs that grounds the tree to the earth, right? So we have those same things. It's just that the trees are basically like grounded, and we can actually move. It's really no different. And even down to like I said about the oxygen and stuff, trees inhale our carbon dioxide and give us oxygen, and we inhale oxygen and give them the carbon dioxide. So it's kind of like a hand-in-hand type of thing. And even all the way down to the hair, like the hair, like our hair follicles is similar to trees too. And like when you cut like a tree, like when you cut it down or whatever, and you look at the rings around the tree, the things that people use to tell how old a tree is and stuff like that. That is the same as if you look at your fingers, like the your fingerprints or whatever. We have the same rings in our fingers as trees have around the base of it. You know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like we are the same in a way. And us as human beings, us as multidimensional beings, we can learn from nature if we actually sit back and pay attention to it. Because nature, no matter what it goes through, like if you try, like if you seen like burn down like forests and stuff, over time that forest will actually replant itself even without our help. Like we don't even have to touch it, and it'll just regrow and rebirth itself. So as humans, we have that same capability. Like how like when the male and female or whatever, when they go through like the sexual stuff, and like the seed from the male that goes into the human actually births a actual human, bro. Like, so it's the same thing with trees. They also have seeds just like we do. And it, like, trees and nature itself can teach us to like just evolve and like become, and as the days go by, just become better and grow just as they do. Because like I said, no matter what year round it is, trees actually grow and actually evolve each and every day. So as humans, we should do the same. Like we should always try to be better than how we was yesterday. You know what I'm saying? Because no day is the same, and once that day passed, you can't get it back. You can't change it. So you might as well just move on and evolve from it and learn from it. So all I'm saying is, like, just as nature does, we should also do. Because nature is information. Like they give us these fruitful like fruits and stuff, like oranges, apples, and bananas and all this other stuff. And like when we eat it, like it helps us feel better. Like that's why I know, like me for example, and a lot of other people, like when you go into like a forest or like nature, and like let's say for example you just want to take a walk in nature, right? Like you automatically you feel better. Like you feel like more fulfilled, because you're outside and you're like near nature. You're near all these trees and birds, and you know what I'm saying? Like you just hear the birds chirping and stuff, and it's like it gives you like a sense of like fulfillment, like on the inside. And the reason for that is because like this is where we came from. Like nature is like kind of like our second home compared to the home that we go to after we like pass away and stuff. So it's really just the same, and like how we are all connected in a way. So yeah, I just want to bring y'all this quick video to just talk to y'all about how like humans and nature is like really connected, and how like we can teach, well, not teach, but like we can learn from nature and the things that was put here with us from the universe and from the God, our creator, that put us here. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed and learned something from this video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. And like, you know how like the placenta inside of females after they have their baby, if you actually, you could, matter of fact, you could Google a picture of a human placenta right now, and you will see in the placenta, it's like it has like kind of like tree roots in it, as in like it looks, bro, it looks the equivalent, it looks the same as a tree and as roots. And then it's kind of like spreading throughout the placenta, and it's having like these little lines like going in each direction, as if you was to like uproot a tree and actually pay attention to the roots. It's the same as the human placenta. So it's that's another way that humans and trees and just nature in its entirety is the same.